Hello, hello there. Hi. This is your girl Mary Caller here. I say good afternoon to you all. So today, and thank you so much, my new subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys are amazing. Okay, so because of that, I'm giving you a local dish today from Ghana, West Africa, and I'm gonna make waakye. We call it waakye. Is beans and rice. And what I have here, it's black eyed beans or black eyed peas. Okay. So I have 2 cups, and this is the kind of cup I use to measure my rice. And I use the same cup to measure 1 cup of rice. I like my normally people go for 1 to 1, but I'm 2 to 1 because I prefer more beans than the rice. So it's 2 cups of rice, 1 cup, sorry, 2 cups of black eyed beans, 1 cup of rice. Then I have here our waakye leaves. This is what we use that makes it the color. It gives a color. So I have my waakye leaves. I have 3.5. 3.5 leaves. And I have 1 onion. So I use onions in my cooking my beans because I don't like the gas. Sometimes there's too much gas in it. So the onion helps it cook faster, and also it reduces the gas in it. Okay, so that being said, I'm gonna wash my beans. It's beans I have cleaned it. Cleaning it meaning you have to put it on a tray and go through like that and pick the bad ones like this from it, and also to check for stones. Sometimes you can find little stones from it, which is not pleasant eating it by eating the waakye. So you have to clean it like that. So it's being well cleaned, and I'm going to wash it nicely and soak it. Then I'll wash my leaves and put it on the fire to boil first. Okay, so I'll catch you from washing of the beans. See you later.